Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to design a Mealy machine for 2's complement. You have already studied how to calculate 2's complement. However, in finite language and formal language and automata theory, we will going to apply another logic for calculating 2's complement. What we are going to do is, for given binary number, we scan the number one by one from right to left. While scanning, first of all ignore all the zeros. When very first time 1 comes, ignore it also, and after that step takes 1 complement for every digit or 0 complement. That means after 1 comes very first time, 0 will be replaced by 1 and 1 will be replaced by 0. If binary number is 1011, then its 1 complement is 0100 and 2's complement is 0101. So this is how you generally calculate the 2's complement. But by applying the above logic, that is start the number scanning from right to left, ignore all zeros, then ignore very first 0, and after that replace 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. If the given number is 0110100 as shown in the PPT, we start from right side. 0 is coming, ignore it, that means we write as it is. Another 0, write it as it is. 1, very first time 1 is coming, so write it as it is. After very first 1, what we are going to do, we are going to replace 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. So 0 will be replaced by 1, 1 is replaced by 0, again 1 is coming, so it is 0, and last is 0, that will be replaced by 1. So 011010000, for this given number the 2's complement is 1001100. After applying this logic, we can design the automata like this. There are 2 number of states. Q0 is the initial state. Very first time 0 is coming, so always the output is 0. If very first time 0 is coming 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, so if there are n number of times 0 is coming, we are going to replace it with 0. Very first time is 1 is coming, so this is very first time 1 is coming, so output is 1. After very first time 1 is coming, what we are going to do, we are going to replace 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. So in this automata there are only 2 states, Q0 and Q1, and from this automata, this table you have to draw, that is state transition table. Present state, next state, inputs A is equal to 0 and input A is equal to 1. We have 2 states, Q0 and Q1. For input A is equal to 0, what will be the state and what will be the output? And for input A is equal to 0, what will be state and what will be the output? So if current state or present state is Q0, and if we apply 0 as input, it will remain at the same state. So present state is Q0, for input 0, state is Q0, at the same time output is 0. If present state is Q0 and input is 1, it will go to Q1, at the same time output is 1. Now consider state Q1. If we give 0 as input to Q1, it will remain at Q1 but creates the output as 1. When we give 1 input to Q1, it will remain at the same state Q1 but it generates 0 as output. So this is how you can draw the state transition diagram and state transition table for designing 2's complement. Thank you for listening.